Chapter 16, Part 5, Translation. Je dois connaître tous ces conjugaisons. So here we have devoir in the present, so it's strong. I must know all these conjugations. I must know all these conjugations, or I must be familiar with all these conjugations. Il a dû le faire hier. So here it's past tense, so it's kind of a conjecture. And this is a past participle, he must have done it yesterday. Il devait être content. So this is the imperfect of devoir. So he must be happy. We're guessing how he must be. Il ne devrait pas l'étudier devant les télévisions. So here, this is devrait in the conditional, a medium strong way of saying something. So he should not or he shouldn't study it in front of the television or for watching TV. He shouldn't study it watching TV. Il a dû manger du pain. So here we've got the past participle of devoir, dû, and the passé composé. He must have eaten some bread. Il a dû recevoir la somme qui lui était due. So now we've got two types of devoir. Il a dû, the past participle. He must have received la somme. That's like the word sum is a math sum, but it also means the amount of money. The qui lui était dû, which was owed to him. So this is a passive voice. Due, the past participle of devoir, that was owed to him. He must have received the amount that was owed to him. And then here we have the sentence, il lui devait sa vie. He, then a past tense with no verb, additional verbs. So this is a owed. He owed to her his life. So he owed his life to her.